Yes, ready. This is the dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Respected Sir, I welcome the report submitted by the University Grants Commission. As a teacher in a college of Delhi University, I regard this opportunity as an occasion to make a few suggestions. One of the most important issues that have come up since this report, which relates to 1998-99, is that of medium of instruction. For full 1 year, the universities in Punjab have been in a state of flux and confusion as to what should be the policy of the state about the medium of instruction. Para, there has been a judgment by the Supreme Court regarding the medium of instruction. I wish the University Grants Commission gives a clear-cut line on this as to who is to decide about the medium of instruction. Is it the students or parents or teachers or an institution like a college or a university or the state government? Because a university that was established to promote education in Punjabi at Patiala had unfortunately allowed two medium of instruction, Punjabi and English, and Hindi was not allowed as medium of instruction. Some private institutions went up to the Supreme Court and appealed that since Hindi was their mother tongue, the mother tongue of the parents and their children, they should be allowed to have Hindi as the medium of instruction. I am happy that Supreme Court upheld this point. I wish the University Grants Commission gives a clear-cut decision on this point. As a teacher, I feel ashamed that a sister institution goes to court and gets a decision. Para, I think the decision about the medium of instruction should be taken by the teachers or by the Education Ministry or by the University Grants Commission and not by the court, because that gives us some kind of inferiority complex, and that for educational problems we will have to rush to the court, whether it is the High Court or the Supreme Court. This is an important aspect that needs immediate attention. The need today is to make English as the medium of instruction, with Hindi as a compulsory subject being our national language. I think it will somehow cancel our regional pulls and pressures that develop from time to time. At present, our educational system has unfortunately become play field of regional politics. We should avoid such unfortunate conditions laid down by the court of law or by parliamentary proceedings. Stop and over.